Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about making charts in Microsoft Excel, Part 3. Part 3, Making an Area Chart. As before we did with the line chart and scatter chart, we made a difference of these two. An area chart is a chart which displays graphically quantitative data. It is based on the line chart, so that the area can be filled directly under the line segment and points. In the Insert menu, click on the Area Chart icon. What you obtain is the area chart. They may look like peak hills or mountains. In comparison to it, area chart can be compared to the bar chart, actually column chart, that I was using it at the beginning of the part, by making a difference between area and line chart. In the area chart, the portion depending on the quantity is shaded, and the other line chart, in which we do not require shading. Only you can see the line segments. We have one more thing, a curve chart found in the scatter chart icon. Curves may depend on its smoothness, as compared to the line chart. Did you know what the difference is? Line chart containing few steps that you see line segments, and in curve chart, the line segments turn into curve, but by increasing the steps between two columns. So, we have final part left off as the pie chart and the other chart. This video is about area chart. Like, comment, and subscribe now.